Hello yogis, welcome to our gentle Shiva Namaskar practice. This is a wonderful practice to gently get the muscles of the body moving, the joints moving, and also create a nice harmony with your breath to set up your day or end your day. As we do start these postures, please breathe naturally in and out through your nose. And let us begin in mountain pose here. Big toes touch, heels slightly apart, or if it feels better for you, more stable, then please start with your feet hip distance apart. Exhale out all your breath. Maybe even close your eyes for this first little bit. Notice the rhythm of your breath, like the waves of the ocean. If it feels good to you, blink open your eyes. Reach your arms out to opposite sides of the room, palms face up. Now, reach your arms all the way up overhead. Maybe keep the hands parallel, facing one another. If it's okay for your body, press the palms, gaze up to the thumbs. And now return to the previous pose, arms extended out by your sides. Allow the hands to come back down, mountain pose, Tadasana. One more time, just like that. Reach the arms up, palms face up. Feel the energy like it's traveling up over your head from palm to palm. And now we reach back up, hands stay parallel, gaze is lifted if that's okay on the neck, or palms touch. Now a little different here. Interlace your fingers, palms reach up towards the ceiling, shoulders down away from the ears. If it feels better to gaze forward, otherwise look up to your fingers. Now let's all gaze forward and begin to lean to the left side in your palm tree pose. Reach it back up to center and go to the right side in your palm tree pose. Come back to center. Re-extend the hands, palms press or hands parallel. Reach your gaze up. And now bring the left hand forward, right arm back for a twist. Try to keep the hip bones forward if possible. They might twist just a little bit. Now let your gaze go towards your back hand. On your next breath, whatever it might be, reach your arms back up. Urdhva Hastasana, extended mountain. Take your twist to the other side, the left arm back, right arm forward. Gaze to your back hand. And again, reach your arms up overhead. Exhale, we fold down. Bend your knees. Heel toe your feet about hip distance apart now. Bend the left knee. Left hand plants forward in the middle of the feet, central, yeah? Lift the right arm up for this nice twist. Gaze to your lifted thumb. If that strains the neck at all, gaze to the floor. Now bring that lifted hand back down. We go to the other side. Bend the right knee as the left leg straightens, right hand plants, left arm lifts. Bring the left hand back down. Gentle bend in the knees. Rise all the way back up. Extended mountain pose with the feet parallel. Bring your gaze forward. Step your feet out a little farther. Palms face down this time. An extended pose. Feel your strength, your inner confidence. All of you, maybe that has been scattered throughout the day. You're sleepy from the night before, coming back into your being. And now Now let's step our feet back together. Allow the hands to come down by the sides. Mountain pose. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. I hope it helps you get things feeling nice in a very gentle way. Namaste.